All right, we're going to shoot a quick video here on how to remove the soft top of a Lotus Elise Series 1.
So the first thing, you've got to grab the Allen wrench, which sits in a little rubber grommet right here. So just take that out.
It's handy.
And then release the tension on this cable that goes between the two. So that's released. They go in the opposite direction on each side. And that's released. So now they're both free, but they've got a lot of metal under here. You have to be careful that you don't let it touch the bodywork. So it goes up there, tucks under the elastic. Same on that side. And I'll put the wrench back before I forget. Goes in there. And then with the door or window open, reach up and undo. There are 3 snaps on each side.
Yes.
And then the front edge has a little plastic trim underneath that tucks in under that lip. So just tease that out all the way. Be careful not to drop anything here. And then back and roll it.
So for all my Boxster fans, it takes a little bit longer to
Definitely. Somewhere in the middle of that, but that's the roof part off. And then I like to put it somewhere clean, so I'll put it on a table over here. And these roof spars just pull out. They stow back here behind the seats. Come back to that in a minute. And then these guys pull out towards me with a little bit of a push to the front, like that, and then a ball here. And these stow in the trunk, the engine compartment. Release.
Oh. Did not realize the release was back there.
It's good to know.
I would have looked for that for a while.
And then this cover fits into a little bracket there, and then you can put things in without it closing. Same on this side, little pull to the front. There we go. And stowing these bows. They're as wide as the car, so it's a bit fiddly getting them back there. There they go. Two. Right. And then the rest just needs the end chucking up. Make sure no more folds than necessary. Right. Like that, and that goes in into the...
That's why there's the 2 brakes and those little plastic
That's right,
things
yeah.
you tuck in.
Off you go.
You still have plenty of room in there.
Loads of them.